Hello there, it's me, Phil from Change Tips and Tools. Now, as a project manager, PMO, or as any type of professional, attention to detail, data accuracy, and being able to plan are all critical success factors. However, at some point, you will need to present your status or your plan in a digestible manner to your sponsors and stakeholders, which means presenting effectively is also key. And Microsoft PowerPoint is a must-have in your tool bag to enable a successful career. Now, with that in mind, let me demonstrate how mastering transitions in PowerPoint can make your presentation look both more professional and impactful. Let's dive into it. So I've got this presentation here, so I've got 6 slides here, and I want to talk to my stakeholders and team about the various different phases. So this is a mock-up hypothetical presentation. So if I go into presentation mode now and just hit presentation mode, it looks fine, but when I jump through to the slides to talk to the talking points against each phase, it looks fine, but it's a little bit boring. But by taking these few easy steps, watch how we can make it a little bit more impactful. So first of all, let's talk about transition. So I'm going to jump from my first slide to the next slide. I'm going to go to transitions ribbon and I'm going to select fade. So when I jump to that, it then fades to that. I'm then going to take the next 3 slides where I jump to the different phases here. From this slide, I'm going to select all 3 of them, and I'm going to select Morph as a transition. And then for the final slide, the transition is going to be a fade. So let's see what that does to our presentation now when I go into presentation mode. So it looks nice. And you can see how this line has moved from here over to here. But this is, I don't like the way that this is moving, which is just fading and appearing the icon and the text. So let's just escape that. So what I can do is select these 3 slides that are morphing, highlight them, and then on the effect options on the transition ribbon, I'm going to go to characters and I want those to morph as well. Right, so see what it's doing there. So again, let's have a look at that. Go into presentation mode. So I like the way that text is now morphing as well with it. I still don't like the icon. So at the moment, it's because the icon is a different icon that I've inserted from the icons options. And what I mean by that is insert, and then you can choose icons from here. Is that it's a different shape each time. So I need to trick PowerPoint into thinking this is the same shape, so it morphs. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to the first one, and on the home ribbon I'm going to choose on the selection pane, I'm going to select this icon here, and there it is, and I'm just going to change the name. So I'm going to do 2 exclamation marks, and then I'm going to call it my image. So with those 2 exclamation marks, I've given it a unique a custom name. And then I'm going to copy that, do Control copy, yeah, and then I'm going to go to the next slide, select that icon, and with that I'm going to over here just paste over that same name, hit return. I'm going to go to the next slide, choose that icon, again just paste that name I've created. So I'm tricking PowerPoint into thinking this icon here are all the same image, in fact, or the same graphic. Do Control V and hit return. Now, if I then go to my starting page, let's get rid of that image selection pane, go into presentation mode. Let's look what it looks like now. Look at that. Boom. Just with those simple steps, I've made the presentation look that little bit more impactful and professional. So hopefully you found that interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this on PowerPoint and how to use PowerPoint, because I think it is a must-know tool as a professional, especially as a project manager and a PMO, you'll use this tool. You'll overuse it because you'll need to constantly keep your stakeholders and your sponsors informed. Let me know in the comments and I'll do more videos on PowerPoint along with the Excel and the MS project that I've already done. If you found this video informative, please remember to click the like, subscribe and smash that notifications button for future content. I wish you a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and please take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, Change, Tips and Tools. Bye bye now.